Maryland surpasses 74,000 coronavirus cases. 733 new infections have been confirmed in the last 24 hours. That's the highest new cases in a day since early June. Hospitalizations also went up slightly since yesterday. There are 415 people hospitalized, 118 in ICU. More than 3,200 have died from COVID-19 in our state. Hello again, I'm Max McGee. With cases going up here in Maryland and around the country, there's growing concern about students going back to school. Now, today at 2 o'clock, the Baltimore County School Board is hosting a virtual meeting to talk about options for learning this fall. The school system's plans will likely depend on the status of the region. The state's teachers union will also discuss their concerns about the potential return to the classroom. Of course, WJZ will have much more on this important issue at 4 o'clock. Governor Larry Hogan presses local leaders to enforce public health requirements in bars and restaurants. State health officials have connected an increasing number of COVID-19 cases to non-compliance with face covering and physical distancing. Now, in a statement, Hogan says you have the responsibility to enforce these laws. Violators should be warned, fined, have actions taken regarding their licenses, or closed if necessary. Now, local health departments, local liquor boards, and inspectors and local law enforcement agencies must work together to ensure public health is protected. California is reimposing restrictions after the state reported more than 8,300 new coronavirus cases Monday. In the past 2 weeks, they've had more than 110,000 new cases. More states are likely to follow. Danya Backus reporting for WJZ from LA.
Just over 1 month after reopening several sectors of its economy, California is shutting down parts of it again amid rising coronavirus cases and deaths.
A week or so ago, I was reporting just 6 lives lost, and then a few days later, well in excess of 100 lives lost.
Governor Gavin Newsom announced gyms, churches, and hair salons would be among those forced to close in 29 California counties, while bars, indoor restaurants, and movie theaters will all close across the entire state. Jamie Zobrist is a salon owner thinking about defying the order.
I don't even know, I have no words right now. Like, are we supposed to stay at home for 7 years?
The state's 2 largest school districts, San Diego and Los Angeles, which together enroll more than 800,000 students, announced they will not return to the classroom and begin the school year with online learning. In Florida, more than 8,000 people are hospitalized with the virus.
Miami is now the epicenter of the pandemic. What we were seeing in Wuhan 6 months ago, 5 months ago, now we are there.
And in Arizona, 1 out of every 4 people tested are positive.
Can't blow out the candle.
On CBS This Morning, Bill Nye the Science Guy demonstrated the effectiveness of different masks in stopping the spread of the virus.
A mask keeps particles from getting in the air to infect other people.
And he says if the nose is exposed, it's the same as not wearing a mask. Danya Backus, CBS News, Los Angeles.
There's more help for small businesses in Baltimore County. This morning, County Executive John Olszewski announced the Small Business COVID-19 Reimbursement Grant Program. It's a $3 million grant fund to reimburse service industry businesses for investments in improvements to stop the spread of COVID-19. Starting tomorrow, they can apply for grants up to $10,000. Examples of what can be reimbursed: plexiglass shields, carry-out window installation, hand washing stations, outdoor tents, and more. For more details, we have a link on our website. That's WJZ.com.